In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import attributes in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing a small store with a handful of products or overseeing an extensive online catalog, efficiently importing product attributes can really streamline your workflow and save you a significant amount of time. First, you'll want to navigate to your WooCommerce dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Products section, which is usually located in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. This will give you a list of all the products you currently have listed in your store. Now, at the top of this page, you should see an option that says Import. Go ahead and click on that. It's the gateway to the process of importing your attributes. Uploading through the WooCommerce Products import function is a straightforward way to handle a large number of product changes at once, and it ensures that your data is kept in one coherent list. Now, before you proceed with uploading the attributes, make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly. This is crucial for the success of your import. The columns in your spreadsheet should match the product attributes you want to import. For instance, if you're importing a size attribute, make sure you have a column named Size in your CSV file. Consistent naming is key here to ensure that WooCommerce recognizes the attributes you're trying to import. If your file isn't structured this way, you might encounter error messages or find that your attributes aren't applied correctly. Always double-check the CSV before proceeding. Once your file is ready and correctly formatted, click on the Choose File button to select it from your computer. Take your time here, ensuring you're selecting the right file, as you want to avoid uploading incorrect data, which can lead to issues down the line. After you've selected your file, click on Continue. WooCommerce will now guide you through a step where you need to map your column headers to the corresponding WooCommerce fields. This step is really about ensuring your data goes to the right place. It's a chance to align each attribute you've included in your CSV file with the correct attribute field in WooCommerce. After mapping your fields appropriately, proceed by clicking Run the Importer. It's a good idea to grab a cup of tea, as this process can take some time, depending on the size of your file and the number of attributes you're importing. Once the import is complete, WooCommerce will give you a summary of the import process. You'll see which attributes were successfully imported and if there were any issues. It's a good practice to review this summary carefully, as it will give you insights into any areas that might need your attention or correction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported your product attributes into WooCommerce. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures that your online store is up to date with all your latest product details. Thank you for watching and happy importing.